tayo, pwede na ata tayo kumain eh.
Hi! I'll try to vlog. Let's try to vlog. This is our first mommy and son vlog. We're here at Matabong Kai Resort in Nasugbu, Batangas. Say hi, Ethan. Hi! Hi! We just checked. Actually, hindi pa kami nag-check in.
Wait.
About...
Wait! We're going to swim now! We're going to swim!
Not yet. We're going to eat pa. We're having our lunch first and then we're going to our room. And then we will rest and then we will swim. Right, baby?
Yeah. Hi! Wait, they have a big swimming pool for big boys and for big girls, and there's a small swimming pool for kids.
Yeah, for kids. Ayan. So, we're here now in our room. So, this is how it looks like. So, you have like a desk here. So, if you want to work while on vacation, which is parang hindi naman okay. So, you can do that. Wait lang, I'll open the door. Open, dali. Ayan. Ayan na si Daddy. Hi!
Uy, malamig in fairness.
Yeah, in fairness, maganda siya. Ayun na nga yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. Close na natin. Tapos, dinala dito yung aming things. So, packlight lang kami. Ayan lang. Ito lang yung dala namin. For this entire. Ayan na. Kasi this one is pretty big. Marami tong laman. As in, lahat ng gamit namin. Later, it's there. Yan. Tapos, ito yung aming, tawag dito, bed. So, you have a double-sized bed here. Tapos, may separate siya na small bed. Which is, hindi naman namin actually talaga kailangan. Kasi, we can fit here. Yan. Tapos, meron siyang TV right there. And then, you have a window here. Tapos, when you open this one, you will see the... Oh, you have a smoking area pa. Ayan. Na hindi naman namin magagamit because we don't smoke. And then may hangers dyan, just in case you need it. Tapos, ito yung, view of the sea. Ayan. So, pasok na tayo kasi
Kusin!
Yeah. Wait. Dumihan ko. Okay. Tapos, tour of the bathroom. Maganda siya, in fairness. So, that is the bathroom. So, iganto ko na lang. Ayan. That's me. And then, this is the sink. Ayan yung sink na. Sorry, I'm medyo shady kasi as you can see, I'm just filming using my iPhone. Tapos, this is the bathtub. Ayan yung shower nila. And then, you also have like a towel rack over here. So, ito yung buong room. Hi! Oh, jump! 1, 2, 3, go! Jump!
Wait!
Jump! Oh! Sam! Hi! Good morning! Gigising lang namin ni Ethan.
Hi!
And we're walking to the restaurant. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kahapon kasi sumakit yung likod ko. So, hindi na rin ako sumama sa kanila. Uminom pa sila. Tapos, nag-swimming na kami nung hapon. Hindi na rin ako nakapag-vlog kasi cannot bring my camera with me. Are you hungry, baby?
Yeah, I'm going to swim now because I'm excited.
You're so excited. Ayun. Sobrang sumakit yung likod ko kahapon kasi kasi the night before we went here, naglaba ako. So, yan. Pa-check out na kami. Si Ethan is watching. Hi, Ethan! Na-prepare ko na yung gamit. Hindi na ako nag-vlog kasi para mas mabilis. Tapos, we're watching Hotel Transylvania. Ayan. Okay na kami sa room. Naligpit ko na lahat ng gamit namin. Tapos may mga konti na lang kaming aayusin. Like, Bolinaw! Bolinaw!
Bolinaw!
Ay, hindi pala.
Matabungkay.
Matabungkay! Picture lang kami dito sa may bato. Maganda yung water nila pag umaga.
Pag high tide.
Pag high tide. Pero pag mga, ay, oo nga. Diyan yung helipad. Pero pag hapon na kayo pumunta or hapon nyo na in-explore yung beach side, hindi na siya maganda. Kasi yesterday, galing kami dyan. Pero, ano, hindi maganda. As in, hanggang dun sa net, kung makikita niyo yung net side, lagpas pa kami dyan, sinilakad namin. Tapos puro plants na, may mga starfish, gano'n. Pero hindi na siya maganda. So, dapat umaga. Yun nga lang medyo mainit, so make sure may sunblock kayo, sunscreen and all that. Tapos meron ding ano, para sa mga mahilig mag-volleyball, maganda siya. Yun, and we're going home na. Bye! I think that's it for this vlog, for the Matabungkay vlog. Siguro I'll vlog pa later, pero ibang destination na. Ibang destination na kasi we're going to Tagaytay after this one. Bye!
Hi.
Where are we? The Nike store.
Nice store.
Daddy.
What?
This is a warehouse.
Warehouse?
This is.
Can I see? Can I see your house?
No, I'll show you my beautiful warehouse.
Beautiful warehouse? Okay. Can I see your beautiful warehouse?
I'll show you. Wait.
So, tagal naman.
Wait. I'm walking. And yeah.
Yummy.
What do you
Lumpia.
think of my beautiful?
Wow, that's nice. Ganda.
I just
Daming fire naman, baby.
so I can
Sarap ba?
so
Sarap.
so I can see anything.
Yeah.
That's why.
Ano,
Oh.
additional order.
Oh, oh.
Tofa at saka tawag dito? Arroz caldo. Ayan.
Isa, college lang. Oh.
Nandito kami sa Cecil's Cafe. Tapos na kami actually kumain. So, yung kinain namin kanina is lugaw. Bumili kami ng mani. Bumili kami ng ang tawag dito, arroz caldo. Meron akong clip kanina. Sana nakita niyo. Ayan. Masarap yung yung mani, tsaka yung arroz caldo. Actually, ang masarap lang is yung lumpia. Yan. So, bumili kami ng lumpia, tapos nag-take out din kami ng 3. Kasi 2 dun sa kasama namin, si Chot, tsaka si Namin. Tapos, isa for us, kasi pasalubong namin sa lola ni Ethan. So, yun. Ito yung itsura ng place. It's a small place lang naman. Tapos kung walang nakakaalam dito, feeling ko hindi nyo rin siya mapapansin or talagang bababain. Kasi ito na yung ayan na yung daan. Ayan. Paano ko ba? Ayan na yung daan.